Hi friends, welcome to our channel.
Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2 minus 1. 1, 2. Let's write down 2. Now we're going to take off 1. Now we have 1. So 2 minus 1 equals 1. 3 minus 1. 1, 2, 3. We can take off 1 now. Now we have 2. So 3 minus 1 equals 2. 3 minus 2. 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2. We have to take off 2 and now we have 1. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 4 minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 1. We have to take off 1 now. 1. And now we have 1, 2, 3. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 4 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 2. We have to take off 2. And now we have 1, 2. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 4 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 3. We'll have to take off 3. And now we have 1 left. So 4 minus 3 equals 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5.
Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share.